Hello guys, welcome back to my magic kitchen. Today we are going to make a delicious pasta. Yes, a rainbow pasta. Come here. Look, I have some pasta here. Pay attention guys. It's a turtle. Yes. This turtle is made of tomato. Delicious. Look, there is a lion too. This lion is made of spinach. Yes. Delicious. There is an elephant. Yes, guys. So, first, we need boiled water. Yes, we have to pour some salt. Yes, let's go. Let's start. Let's go. We have to pour some salt into our boiled water, and now we can pour our pasta. Okay. Look, we have to do this. And now let's wait a little bit. But we are going to make our sauce. Yes. Come here again. We need 1 tablespoon of butter, and you have to cut 1 small onion. Yes, let's start. Oh, great. First, come here. Yes. Pour the butter here. And the onions. We have to do this. The butter is going to melt. Yes, and the onion is going to be delicious. This is the first part of our sauce. Come here, guys. Look, our butter is starting melting. Yes. Let's wait a little bit and let's take a look at our other ingredients. Yes? Come here. Oh guys, look! There is a giraffe. Oh, poor giraffe. Okay, it's made of spinach. No problem. Our other ingredients are 1 glass of creamy cheese and 1 box of creamy milk. Okay, guys? Yes. Let's take a look at our onion. It smells good. It's almost done. Let me take a look at our pasta. Great. Let me check. We have some more minutes. So guys, now we can add our creamy cheese. And mix it. It smells so good. It's okay. Now we are going to add our creamy milk. This sauce is very good. Okay, let's stop our sauce a little bit. Let me check. We have 1 minute to take a look at our pasta. Yes? So we are going to put our sauce into the blender. Some people doesn't like onions, yes, but when they have this sauce with onions into the blender, they love it. Yes, it's my tip for you. We are going to wait a little bit because we need to check our pasta. Now it's done. You need to use a sieve, okay? Be careful because it's really hot. Okay. Let's wait a little bit. And come here. Let's turn on our blender just a little bit. Okay, it's enough. It's very fast. Now, let's come back. Look, guys, Where is the onion? It disappeared. It's not here anymore. Yes. Our pasta. Let's do this. Guys, it smells so good. It's delicious. Let's try it. This pasta is made of spinach, tomatoes. Yes, so it's a rainbow pasta. Yes, look, it's very colorful. Yes, and now we are going to finish our pasta with some grated cheese. Oh guys, look how beautiful. Let me try. Let me try it. Oh look, it's a turtle. Very good. This pasta's delicious. Kisses. Bye bye.